blurred eyes on the highway, raindrops on the window. Don't stop for the siren sound of the tyrant gone when the wind blows. Get lost in the moment, find peace in the night. It is what it is, you can't stop shit. Just go with the flow till the flow feels right. I go to the glow with the light, and I know when the moment's right. Keep hoping a clear line sight, cause you lose control when the flames ignite. Calm down when I breathe in, exhale with a reason. I float above visions of blood, looks like the sky's bleeding. I feel I've been lost for so long, it's getting harder to find my way back home. I do not care, I'm fine right here. I feel I'm better, I found on my own. Staring at these red lights, trying to keep my head right. I don't need no bullshit, keep it from my eyesight. Staring at these red lights, trying to keep my head right. I don't need no bullshit, keep it from my eyesight.
You cannot stop me, I'm the vital one. Let me get lost in my delirium. You cannot stop me, I'm the vital one. Let me get lost in my delirium.
Lately I've been lazy-eyed, caught in my mind like a crazy guy, foaming at the mouth like a rabies bite, wishing I'd be vaporized, floating around like a ratings high, fucking the sky like a mating fly. Shit ain't free like a ladies' night, so back on the ground till my brain is fried. Sitting in the shadows of the battles that I can't escape. See, they think I'm bleeding while I'm leaning on my lighter cape. One punch, one cape, tighten like a anime. Yeah, that'd be great if you could step out of my office space.
I feel I've been lost for so long,